Now that we've connected the video connector, we're ready for reassembly. Start with the large access panel. That's the 4 screws, with one being shorter. We are viewing this from upside down, so this would be the top of the display, this would be the bottom of the display. Next, we'd want to insert the accessory pack here.
These slots line up with the slot in the case.
I'm going to show that again.
And the connector mates up with a push.
And we have 3 screws. These are your pan head screws.
Oops.
Next, we put the guard back onto the hard drive, making sure that that tab is behind the main panel.
The hard drive assembly, CD-ROM assembly slide a little bit, so you have to make sure you see that these 4 holes on top line up.
I would put in the 1 screw on the disc insert end. That'll pull the hard drive tight into place. So this assembly has a total of 6 of the countersunk screws. Next, we want to replace the last access panel, making sure that the 3 tabs line up and then slide up into place. This assembly uses 2 more of the screws.
I think 3. I think we've got 1 more here.
Okay, 3.
Is there anything on top?
No.
Okay.
They use this.
Oh, and there's 1 on the bottom, so there's a total of 4 for this cover.
So this assembly uses 4 screws. The remaining screws Additional 3 screws on the bottom of the main panel. And then there's one left for the top of the main panel. And that's it. HMI is ready to be installed back into the control panel.